Hello! In this short video I would like to discuss UTM codes and why should you use them. UTM codes are specifically used for tracking data on traffic coming to your website or landing page from all external sources like social media profiles, email marketing, and of course pay-per-click. UTM parameters are just a short piece of code that you can add to links. For example, the links you share on your social posts. I found UTM tags very useful in social media management. They help you track the value of social marketing programs and campaigns and measure return on investment. They also provide a precise data about conversion and traffic sources. And of course, they allow you to test individual posts head-to-head in classic A/B testing style. This might sound technical, but UTM parameters are actually very simple and easy to use. So I often use UTM parameters in my social media. Let me illustrate. I'm creating at this very moment campaign for my own email newsletter. So in the future I will have a precise data about my email effectiveness. First step, you have to go to the campaign URL builder. To find this campaign URL builder, you type in Google and you should find this link ga-dev-tools.web.app/campaign URL builder. And here all you have to do just fill the fields, except campaign ID, which is used for purpose. Campaign source, I'm going to use newsletter. Campaign medium going to be email. Campaign name I call Google Analytics courses. And campaign terms SEO course. And campaign content will be of course SEO courses. This will create a unique URL. It's very long, so let me shorten this a little bit. And now let's test how it works. If I open the new window and search in Google, it should find the page that I'm going to target. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned.